Hello beautiful friends, Nikki and Lynette here. Welcome to our channel, Garden 1842 and Home. In today's video, we are going to share some fellow flower lovers that I, Nikki, ran across at a vendor pop-up shop I was at. I had the fortunate opportunity to meet some lovely ladies that share the love of flowers that Lynette and I do, and I will interview them and you're going to hear about their really unique products that they make and that they find their passion doing. Gotta love when flower lovers unite. Hello, beautiful friends. I am currently at Dill Dinkers in Hamilton, and it is a craft marketplace. And I'm walking around checking out all the vendors that are here. But I especially love a couple of these because they are garden and flower themed. So I had to stop and talk to this lady, and I'm just going to zoom in and show you some of her things because it's so beautiful. Her name is Lisa, and I've gotten to know her just by walking around and talking, and her stuff is so unique. Like, these are just gorgeous. And I'm going to introduce you to Lisa. She's going to tell us a little bit about her creations here that she has. Hi, Lisa.
Hello, it's nice to speak with you and meet you today. And what I have, we bought an old farmhouse and it has a conservatory on the back. So I get to start my flowers from seeds. And then we have a couple of flower pots in our backyard. And so I learned how to press and dry flowers. Now, not all of these are mine, but a lot of them are. But I source them. And most recently, I met someone who has a flower farm, and I'll be partnering with her. But there's something so amazing and unique with each single arrangement because I can't remake it. I can't remake the style of the flowers and how they dry. And so this is very special to me. It's how I relax. I have a full-time job outside of here, but this is what I do to relax and process and calm my mind, and I love it.
Would you call this your passion?
Definitely.
We love passion on our channel. We always tell people to go find their passion.
Yes.
So
yes.
This is your passion. I'm going to give you guys another great look at all these items that she does. And again, she said they are not all the same ever. She can't remake them. They're very unique. Each item is very unique. These here have Bible verses attached to them. You guys, this is so gorgeous. I am going to link her information on here in case you want to order anything from her and look her up and check out her items.
Fatty Bird Creations.
Say that again?
Fatty Bird Creations.
Well, thank you, Lisa. It was so nice to meet you. Thank you for having this interview with me.
Thank you so much.
So I was about to walk away, but I love her stuff, and I was going to pick up a little gift for somebody, and she is presenting me with this. Tell me about this.
Lynette, thank you so much for allowing me to be on your page and being so supportive, and thank you for sharing your best friend. She's spreading a lot of joy and happiness out here today, and so just want to thank you and happy birthday.
Thank you again, Lisa. Thanks so much. Okay, everybody, I am here with a new friend that I just met. Her name is Betsy, and she does some amazing work. Tell us about what you do here, Betsy.
So I make freestanding lace jewelry, flowers, bookmarks, and then I've got some embroidery tapestry bags and some embroidered baby onesies.
Okay, where do you just come up with your ideas, just whatever you like? I know you were telling me you love purple. That's one of your inspirations. You also said you love daffodils.
So I have some favorite digitizers online, and so I usually make the things that they digitize.
Okay.
And,
great.
Yeah.
All right, I'm going to show you guys her stuff because it is so cool. Like, here's her little baby outfits. Just gonna run through these. They're so adorable. And then she's got a pillow here, and she's got, look at these darling little lamps, and they are wine glasses with a candle inside and a little doily on the bottom. They're so cute, so sweet. And then she did these flowers here that are amazing. I didn't even notice. I just thought they were, I don't know what I thought. I didn't notice that they were stitched, so they're amazing. She has bookmarks and blankets, and the jewelry is just a darling. I've already bought some because I like it so much. All right, well, Betsy, thank you so much for sharing your store with me, and I'm going to share your information on our channel. Anybody wants to order anything from Betsy, you're going to have her information, so I will put it on here. Thanks so much. Thanks, Betsy.
Thank you.
This is just a picture of my booth that I had at the vendor event. My friend Abby and I have a customized hat business, but we also customize other things, not just hats. We customize hats on the spot, but we also take orders. These are some hats that people made at this current event. But we offer lots of patches, and you can design your own hat, beanie, or visor. And a lot of times people make flower themed depending on what they love. Of course, we made Lynette a flower themed one. We also made her a Circleville pumpkin hat too. Check us out here. Thank you for joining me today on this Flower Lovers Unite video. I loved all the interviews, and I loved all the creativity that we found. Please be sure to hit subscribe, like, and comment on this video, and let us know what you think. And don't forget, go out and find your passion today.